In this tutorial, I will discuss how you can style group of elements using CSS. So let's create a web page. So let's say its name is index7.html. So create a boilerplate. Okay, and here what I'm gonna do, so let's create a ht hobbies ul li, let's say playing cricket. Create another list item, and let's say go for morning walk, and create another li, and playing hockey, and another li, and reading books. So this is the web page. So now let's create another style file. So let's say style 5.css. so I will link this index with the style 5. so in the head, but I'm going to style okay, in the head tag use a link, and here href is style 5.css. so this is the style sheet. So let's open this site, open this page in the live server. So just wait. Okay, so this is the web page that I have just created. This is the s3 tag, and these are the list items. Now I will start some I will style group of items. So first of all, I will style only small part of a page. So for styling a small part of a page, so let's say I will use here I will use span. For example, in the cricket I will use a span tag, and I will cut and paste it here. So cricket is in the span tag, and in the style part what I will do, so this is the style 5. I will use dot span. Okay, span is the okay, I will use span, and here I will use color red. Okay, fine. So go to the browser and refresh it, and you will see that I have gives style to only small part of a page. So for doing that, I have enclosed that part. In the span tag, and then I have applied styling to the span tag. Very simple. And what if I want to give different styles? For example, let me cut it here and paste it here. So suppose this is one span, and again I want to enclose this in the span. So cut it from here, and I will paste it here. And this span, suppose this span has class, let's say a sports. A class is let's say sports. Okay, and here I have a span, cut it, and I will paste it here, and I have span class equals to, let's say, others. And similarly I will use this span, and like this. Okay, so now I will apply different styles. So I have two classes, sports and others, so I will apply different styles. For doing that, what I will do, I will use a dot and sports is the class name, and here I can apply a different style. So for example, color is red, and for others, let's say the color is let's say black. Very simple. So go to the browse, color is, let's say I will change the color, so I will change, let's say blue. Okay, so blue is the color. So see that this pen has class sports and this pen has class others. Sports and others, there are two classes for the pen, and I have applied different styles to these two classes. And if I go to the browser and refresh it, you can see different styles has been applied. So this way you can apply different styles on a particular page. So it's very simple, you can apply different styles to a particular page. And if you want to style a group of elements, for example, if I enclose this in the div tag, so if I enclose it in the div and I cut it here and paste it here and go to, and format document, you can see. And if I apply style to this div tag, okay, go to the browser, go to the style sheet, and let's apply style to the div tag. So for div tag, what I do, so let's say text align is center. Okay, and let's say the border is solid 3 pixel, let's say light green. Okay, fine. And background color, you can also use background color, let's say bisque. So go to the browser, refresh it, and you can see these both tags are inside the div. So this is the div is the container for these both tags. And if I have applied a styling to the div tag, the same styling will be applied to the children. You can see the same styling has been applied to the. So this way you can style a group of elements. Okay, so what if I create another tag, let's say paragraph tag, and apply lorem, let's say 32, and save it and go to the browser and refresh it, you can see, because these three tags are in the div tag, so if I apply a style to the div tag, that style will be applied to these three tags as well. So this way you can apply a style, you can apply style to the group of elements. So I have explained how you can apply style to a particular individual element, and how you can apply a style to the group of elements in this lecture. So thank you for watching.